Hello, everyone. I'm Ann McKinney.
And I'm Victoria Tillman.
We are the law firm of McKinney and Tillman, and we're here today to talk to you about our concern for our clients, for our staff, for everyone involved with McKinney and Tillman about the coronavirus and its impact on all of our lives. We have thought about it and consulted about it, and Victoria is going to tell you a little bit about the precautions that we're taking here at the office for those of you who really do have to come in and sign documents.
So first of all, we are talking to our clients about changing over their office conferences to telephone conferences as much as possible. However, there are times that you do have to come into the office, especially if you're signing documents. That's a step that we encourage our clients to be here or for us to go to them to sign the documents, because it is such a particular process in getting those documents signed to make sure the documents are signed exactly the way the law requires. So when you come into our office, the first thing you're going to see is a bottle of hand sanitizer. So we're asking our clients to sanitize their hands when they come in, and we are also sanitizing our hands as well, just to make sure that everybody has clean hands before we begin to handle the documents and work together. The other thing we're doing is we are wiping everything down with Lysol wipes. And if you've been to the store, these are hard to come by. But we do have big bottles of Lysol wipes, and what we're doing is we're taking the time to wipe down everything that our clients will be touching. So we're wiping down the pens, we're wiping down their notebooks, we're wiping down the doorknobs, we're wiping down the light switches to make sure we're as safe as possible. Once you come in, we're also using our large conference room. In the large conference room, we have a little bit of ability to social distance so that we're not right on top of each other and breathing down each other's throats, but we are in a conference room together. We actually have also performed signings outside in the parking lot. We had a gentleman come yesterday who was elderly, and instead of bringing him in, we let him sit in his car. We brought the staff out to him, and we signed documents in the parking lot. So kind of a pickup as you go, so kind of like the restaurants are doing.
That's right.
So these are the steps that McKinney and Tillman are taking to keep our clients safe. But we are still seeing clients. We are talking to you on the phone. We are preparing your documents. We are getting your information via telephone conference, via Skype, so that we can continue to serve you well.
So recently, I was like many of you at the grocery store, and I was picking up canned goods, and I thought, I have a pantry full of canned goods. I brought them home, and I started arranging them, and to my great dismay, I learned that many of the cans of food on which I was depending were far out of date. And then the Knoxville News Sentinel came out with this article that I'm going to get in my hands, 7 tips for organizing the kitchen pantry. These are great tips. Wish I'd read the article before I started doing my pantry myself. We at McKinney and Tillman are presenting some videos for you. We're doing a video on updating your important information. We're doing a video about the Secure Act. When we started 2020, the big news was that the Congress had passed a law that the president had signed in late December about IRAs. And all of our clients were flush with IRAs, and they were concerned, and we were concerned about letting them know how the rules had changed. So there is a video already on our website regarding the Secure Act and its impact on the beneficiaries who are going to receive retirement money, whatever there is of that left, upon the deaths of the participant and his spouse. So you'll find that in our free resources section. We're also doing a video on getting your important papers together and using our What My Family Should Know booklet. Little tips for doing things. Now that you're homebound, now that you have time on your hands, we have some suggestions for you. We've also got a handout called Estate Planning in a Crisis Environment. We're going to do a short video to talk you through that handout as well. The bottom line is we're concerned about all of you. We're here to serve you as best we can. We're here to take your calls. We're here to answer your questions. We're going to make whatever arrangements we can to get your legal documents properly signed. And we hope that you'll feel free to call on us and let us help you, not only on the website, Pass It On Well, with the free resources, but calling us if something's on your mind.